Alright, so we're back again. I got my 335. I'm getting ready to do a wheel bearing. So I got the car on the lift. I'm getting ready to lift it up, take the wheel off, take off the brake caliper and the rotor. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I got the gun. I'm getting ready to hit the tight. Alright, so I got the wheel off. I got the bolts loosened back here for the caliper. Then I gotta remove this bolt to take off the rotor. And then there's 4 bolts that's holding in the hub. So these are the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 is right up here. So we got to get those out. So let's do it. All right, so I got it lined up. So now I just got to get the bolts in. This one down here, you're gonna have to turn the wheel so we can get it in. Cause see, right now it's hitting on this one. All right, so let me tighten it up and get back. All right, so everything is tightened down, torqued down. So we just got to put the brake caliper back on. All right, so everything is, rotor's back on, brake caliper's back on, all tightened. Everything is good to go. I just got to put the wheel back on, and she should be good. All right, then after that, we're gonna take it for a test drive and see if everything is good. And that should be it.